Lingering cough after flu has a story. Watch how these remedies follow the pathology. China, Stannum and Sanguinaria. China is stage 1. Right after fever, the patient is drained, weak, sweaty and the cough keeps hanging on. The cough is usually dry and it is worse after every meal. There will be rattling in chest, there is pain in chest and the patient is having difficulty in breathing. Stage 2 is Stannum. The chest feels hollow and weak. Even talking brings cough and exhaustion. The sputum is greenish, sweetish, tough sputum. The patient has cough worse lying on right side. There is also difficulty in breathing. Stage 3 is Sanguinaria. If unresolved, the cough localizes into an irritative bronchitis picture. Dry, hacking cough with burning in chest, often right-sided. There is also severe dyspnea. The complaints are worse lying down. The cough returns with every fresh cold. So there is a tendency to become chronic. Join subscriptions at Virtual Homeopathy for in-depth practical homeopathic therapeutics.